So there you were talking to your neighbor Bob. Bob just bought the brand new family SUV. Why? Because Bob gave up on life. Bob doesn't care about having fun. Bob doesn't care about good times. Bob just wants to get from A to B, and the Consumer Report said that the brand new family SUV was the best car on the market, blah blah blah. But you're not like Bob. You have red blood. You want to have fun, damn it. And you love life. So you went to MontuMotors.com to buy yourself a real car. And you're going to have lots of fun. And there it is, the car of your dreams. But you still have so many questions. You know that Montu Motors takes care of all the legalization and everything because they made a previous video about it. But what about things like maintenance? What about warranties? What guarantees your safety if you buy one of these cars? We'll try to ease some of those pains by answering your questions here. What kind of maintenance does Montu Motors perform when we receive a car? Well, after it comes in off the truck, every car has its fluids inspected by our tech. If anything is in need of replacement, we replace it. Otherwise, we try to leave it as original as possible. After the initial inspection comes the road test. Our tech then takes the car out in the street, drives it around, figures out if it makes any weird noises, performs poorly, or if the engine is sluggish. If he finds anything during his road test, it's brought back to the shop where the parts would then be replaced. Occasionally, a customer will purchase a car and will find something wrong with it after he receives it. An important thing to remember is that these are all old cars, and Nissan Skylines in general can be quite finicky. Occasionally, we'll miss something or a problem will come up after we've driven it. Sometimes this happens, and it's unfortunate, but we're willing to work with you. Our customers are very important to us. I know everybody else says that, but it's true. We rely on our customers for the business and also to help give us a good reputation in this market. Car sales in general is tricky, but especially old imported cars. So we like to make sure that everybody that buys a car from us has a very good experience. Which brings us to the next question. What about warranties? Does Montu Motors issue a warranty? Well, every car that we sell is at least 25 years old, or older. So the short answer is no. We don't offer warranties on these cars. But as mentioned, if you were to purchase a car and had some sort of issue, and it was clearly an oversight on our part, please let us know. We'd rather you let us know and give us the opportunity to fix it for you, so that way we can make sure that your buying experience was as good as possible. Bet you didn't expect to hear that from somebody that sells old cars. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of peace of mind. And since you're really considering that purchase from Montu Motors, maybe that's the final push to send you over the edge and complete your dream. Thanks for watching this video, and have a good one.
Would definitely recommend Montu Motors.
And I would definitely go through Montu Motors again and again.
Registration, insurance, all that stuff, but at the end of the day, they took care of every fear you could possibly have. They'll be able to answer it right on the spot.
That was a ridiculously simple process for getting a JDM car.
I couldn't be happier with my purchase from Montu Motors.